Telangana Chief Minister had made his intent quite clear last week when he said that he feels like slapping young journalists, accusing them of lacking basic respect for their senior counterparts. And now he has taken it a step further by saying that whoever opposes Rahul Gandhi's ideology will have to suffer severe political losses. And I quote, whoever it is, whether rich or any position, if he comes against Rahul Gandhi's command or rule, Telangana is going to write his death order. Listen in to his threat.
కనీస మర్యాద పాటించాలన్న ఇంగిత జ్ఞానం కూడా కోల్పోయిన వాళ్ళు ఈరోజు వచ్చి మేము పత్రికా సమావేశాలు పెట్టినప్పుడు ముందల వరుసలు కూర్చోవడం కూడా ధిక్కారంగా మనమేదో లోకు అయినట్టు వాడేదో మన మీద పెత్తనాన్ని చెలాయించడానికి వచ్చినట్టు మన కళ్ళలోకి చూస్తుంటాడు. ఇంకా నువ్వు నమస్కారం పెడతలేవు, నన్ను చూసి తలోంచుకుంటలేవేందని. నాకైతే అప్పుడప్పుడు అనిపిస్తుంది దిగిపోయి పల్ల చెంపలు వలగొట్టాలని. కానీ పరిస్థితులు హోదా అడ్డం వస్తుంటాయి.
ఎవరైనా సరే, ఎంత గొప్పోడైనా ఎంత పెద్దోడైనా ఏ పదవిలో ఉన్నా సరే, రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారి శిలా శాసనానికి ఎదురొస్తే వాళ్ళ పాలిట మరణ శాసనం తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం రాయబోతుంది. రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారి సందేశమే దేశం నలుమూలలకు చేరవేయడానికి ఈ రోజు జంతర్ మంతర్కు వచ్చినాం సోదరులారా.
Revanth Reddy's remark has sparked a mega political slugfest, with the BJP asking whether he is democratically elected chief minister or a mass murderer. It further asserts that Revanth Reddy has been speaking in such a language ever since he started groveling before the Italian mafia, hinting at the Parivar.
सीधे मरने मारने की बात की जा रही है. ये सोच इमरजेंसी मानसिकता का परिचय देता है. ये लोकतंत्र नहीं, ये इमरजेंसी तंत्र में और परिवार तंत्र में विश्वास रखते हैं. ये मॉडर्न डे राहुल गांधी के परिवार का फतवा है, ये इमरजेंसी का फतवा है. राहुल गांधी एटम बॉम्ब से उड़ाना चाहते हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन को. रेवांत रेड्डी जो भी राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ बोलेगा उनको मौत के घाट उतारना चाहते हैं. ये मानसिकता जो है ये एक आतंकी मानसिकता है, लोकतांत्रिक मानसिकता नहीं है. ये जिहादी मानसिकता है, ये आईसिस वाली मानसिकता है.
ISIS and terror mindset, that's the charge by the BJP. In fact, after the backlash, the Telangana CMO has issued a clarification and gave a templated response. It said that Revanth Reddy's comments were not taken in context. It was in context of fighting for backward classes, reservations and protecting constitutional values, and not as a threat. So the Telangana CMO issued a statement and it went on to say that this was a figurative political expression. It wasn't meant to be a threat at all, saying the quote that is being shared is incomplete. So it is taken out of context. They went on to claim that the statement was stripped of the full context and the chief minister was only using a figurative political expression, and the claim that is being made by the BJP is misleading and an inaccurate interpretation. This is a claim that has been made by the Telangana CMO, saying that the comment was made with respect to the quota for the backwards and it's being taken out of context. My colleague Shomit joins us over the phone line with the details. And Shomit, what could the context possibly be? Because the statement that was issued by the Chief Minister looks like a clear threat against anybody who dares to speak against Rahul Gandhi.
Well, that's true, Pratibha. See, it's very much clear what Chief Minister has said, and this is not the first time. Even is what even opposition parties are claiming yesterday. I was in the national capital and participating in Mahadharna being organized there for the implementation of 42% for the BC reservations for the BC. So basically, while addressing Congress cadre, he has stated that. We came to Jantar Mantar to spread the Rahul's message across the country, and Rahul's word is command or rule, and I'm trying to explain what he exactly said. So if anyone comes against Rahul's command or rule, stone edict, then Telangana will write his order of death, is exactly what Chief Minister said. However, his team has clarified, stating that he said this in a political context and misinterpreted is what, however, his team tried to say. But however, clearly CM Revanth Reddy is seen saying this, speaking out exactly the statement what I've just said, and he has used words like Sila Sasanam and Marana Sasanam. So this also translates into Sanskrit and also exactly into the English. So however, CMO has tried to cover this up, and BJP has come down heavily on Congress government and also on Revanth Reddy, and even DRS has come down heavily on Congress government and Revanth Reddy, saying that this is not the first time. Recently, stripped and naked, thrashed, that comments were made by Chief Minister. Later, slap. Gate, we know recently that, happened. So slap comments were made by Chief Minister, and now these are the exact comments made by Chief Minister, is what, BJP and BRS
Yes,
saying.
and such threats are being issued time and again with impunity, isn't it? Soumya, thank you for joining us with those details.